Hello, children. I'm Varma. Welcome to Science World. In this module, we are going to learn Lesson 4 from the textbook. That is, birds, beaks, feet, and claws. Before I start teaching the lesson, let us listen to this beautiful song.
Hey, look! Look, they're flying in the air. It looks like a bird. Look, high, soaring through the sky. It might be a bird, and we'll know because birds have beaks. Birds can sing. They've got lots and lots of feathers on their wings. Look, they're flying in the air. It must be a bird. Move your arms like a bird. Move your arms like a bird. Sing a song like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Sing a song like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Move your arms like a bird. Now sing a song like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Now move and sing like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Now move and sing like a bird. Tweet, tweet. All right. Birds have beaks. Birds can sing. They've got lots and lots of feathers on their wings. Look, they're flying in the air. It must be a bird.
That is a beautiful song, children. Hope you enjoyed it. In this lesson, we are going to learn main features of a bird, different types of beaks, feet, and claws. We see many beautiful birds around us. Some are big and some are small. We have studied about our body parts in previous classes. Similarly, birds also have different body parts that make them special and different from us. Wings. Wings are the main body part of a bird that helps it to fly. Wings also help in diving. Children, do you know which bird has the largest wingspan? Yes, you are absolutely correct. The wandering albatross has the largest known wingspan of any living bird, nearly 12 feet. Beak. Beak help the birds to eat food because birds do not have teeth. Beaks also help them to carry materials such as grass, twigs, and dry mud to make nests. Clawed toes. Clawed toes help birds to catch food and to protect themselves. Claws also help them to sit on branches and in holding their prey. The next part is feathers. Feathers help birds in flying, swimming, and floating. Feathers also maintain the body temperature of birds. Children, feathers are the most beautiful part of the body, which makes them colorful. Children, now let us learn in detail about beaks. Some birds eat flesh and insects. Others eat fruits, grains, and seeds. The shape and size of a beak depends on what kind of food a bird eats. Different birds have different types of beaks. Children, let us see what are different types of beaks. Cracker beaks. Cracker beaks are the beaks that help a bird to crack open shells and extract the inner nut or seed are called cracker beaks. Birds that have cracker beaks are sparrow, peahen, and finch. Hooked beaks. Hooked beaks are the beaks that help a bird to bite and tear the flesh of its prey. These are called hooked beaks. The beak of an owl, hawk, and eagle are all hooked beaks. Birds. The next one is probing beaks. Such beaks are designed to get nectar from flowers. We see probing beaks in hummingbird, sunbird, and ibis. Spear beaks. Spear beaks are designed for fishing. Birds that have spear beaks are kingfisher, crane, and heron. Tweezer beaks. Tweezer beaks are the beaks that help in picking up and holding onto insects. These are called tweezer beaks. Examples of birds that have tweezer beaks are wren, warbler, and robin. Children, other than these beaks, some birds have special food requirements. Such birds have special beaks. Example, penguins. Penguins have different types of beaks. Penguins that are fish eaters have long and thin beaks, as you see in the picture. Others have shorter and wider beaks. Pouched beaks. These beaks helps birds to hold lots of water and fish. And the next one is Swiss Army knife beak. These beaks helps birds to eat things such as nuts, fruits, fish, insects, and the flesh of other animals. The next one is chisel beak. Chisel beak helps the birds to peck holes into trees to eat insects living under the bark. Children, these are the different types of beaks. And now let's see different types of feet and claws. All birds have 2 feet. Each foot may have 2 to 4 toes. Each toe has a sharp, horny and curved nail-like structure called a claw. Birds use their feet and claws to walk, hop, swim, perch, and to climb. Children, now let us see different types of feet. The shape of a bird's feet depends on its habitat and the type of food it eats. Different birds have different types of claws. Children, do you know what is a habitat? Let me explain to you. Habitat is the natural home or living place of an animal, plant, or other organism. Wading foot. The wading foot helps the bird to walk into water to catch its food. We see wading foot in cranes, herons, and killdeers. Webbed foot. The webbed foot helps the bird to swim, push through the water. We see webbed foot in ducks, gulls, and in penguins. Climbing foot. The climbing foot gives a very firm grip for climbing. We see climbing foot in woodpeckers and parrots. Perching foot. The perching foot helps the bird to hold the branch tightly to keep from falling off. We see perching foot in finch, warbler, and in sparrows. Walking foot. The walking foot helps the bird in running and walking fast. Birds like emu, ostrich, and turkey. We see this walking foot. Grasping foot. The grasping foot helps the bird to catch its prey and carry it away. Birds like hawk, eagle, and owls are examples of having grasping foot. Children, now let us learn what are different types of claws. The first one is grasping or raptors. Such claws are large and curved so that the bird can snatch fish from the water. Hawk and eagles are examples of it. Scratching claws. Such claws are sharp and come out of curved nails of the toes to help the bird scratch soil for food. Example, hen. Perching claws. Perching claws help birds hold tightly on a branch of a tree. Examples, sparrow, finch, and robin. Children, now let me give you some interesting facts about birds. Children, do you know Haut-Zinn chick This chick has claws on its wings, but the wings disappear when it becomes an adult. Australian pelican has the largest beak of all the birds. See it in the picture. And ostrich is the fastest and the largest living bird. Owls cannot turn their eyes and so move their heads completely to look directly behind them. Songbirds. These birds do not fall off a tree even while sleeping because their toes can firmly hold the branch of the tree. Children, that's all for this session. Hope you enjoyed the session. See you in the next session with some more information about birds. Bye children.